Merry Christmas, everybody!
Thanks for joining us tonight. We start with some developing news. A 5-year-old is recovering after being shot by a stray bullet here on Christmas Eve. We're told this.
Hi guys! This is Filipina Teacher in America. Kumusta po kayong lahat sa Pilipinas? Alam ko po, Pasko dyan. Sana po na-enjoy nyo ang Christmas 2021. At sana po ay nakasama nyo ang inyong pamilya at mga kamag-anak and some other friends to celebrate it with you. So ngayon po ay December 24th here in America. And it's about 8:20 in the evening. So, Christmas Eve pa lang siya. At dyan sa Pilipinas ay December 25 na Christmas Day. So, I hope you guys enjoy the celebration. And I hope you have fun and stay safe also because we are still on pandemic. And some cases of COVID patients are increasing. So please do not forget to stay safe all the time to protect ourselves and also our loved ones. So for today's vlog is about how to apply for a teaching job in America. I actually have this already, but I think it's not complete. And I have some subscribers that are asking me, Ma'am, paano po ba mag-apply? At yung iba pang mga tanong nila about teaching in America. So, unang-una po, kasi pwede ka naman mag-apply ng direct. In my case, I applied in one of the agencies there in Manila. But it cost me a lot of money, as in a lot of money, huge amount of money. And sa totoo lang po, pwede talaga kayo mag-apply ng direct if you know how to do it. But then, with this video, I want you to watch it till the end because I will gonna guide you all the way up until you will get hired. So, number 1, kailangan, syempre, bachelor's graduate ka. It's either elementary or secondary bachelor's ka nakagraduate. And plus, kung meron kang master's degree, mas okay, or doctor's degree is okay. Second, kailangan pasado ka sa board exam. Meron kang lisensya, teaching license as a professional teacher. Number 3, at least you have 2 or 3 years teaching experience. But some school district are required at least 3 years teaching experience po. Yan. Kasi kumbaga parang, for me, siguro inaisip nila para hinog na. And number 4, ay kailangan mo, meron ka ng foreign credential na na-evaluate. May nagtatanong, Ma'am, ano po yung foreign credential evaluation? Yung transcript of records mo po ay kailangan mo ipa-evaluate sa mga evaluator dito sa Amerika to check kung naka-align ba ang course mo na tinapos dyan sa Pilipinas para makapagturo dito sa Amerika. And then, kailangan po syempre, meron kang passport. Passport na hindi expired, okay? Next po ay meron kang PRC license. Kasi po yung PRC, pwede mo na po yung gamitin license dito as reciprocity license here. Because some districts here accepts the out-of-state teaching license. Next po ay kailangan mong may reference letter ka from your principal, from your supervisor, or from your colleague or master teachers. Di ba yan sa Pilipinas uso yung master teacher? Di ba? Dito kasi walang mga master teacher. Meron dito team leader. Kagaya sa school ko, meron akong team leader. May master teacher pero it doesn't sound like the way how it is done in the Philippines. Sorry to say that, but in here, hindi po gano'n na medyo mataas na, porket master teacher, mataas na ang ranggo sa teacher na hindi master teacher. Hindi po gano'n dito. Dito po, pantay-pantay lang, okay? So, don't get me wrong, but I'm just trying to like say the difference or tell the difference about it. Okay po, medyo naputol po tayo, so itutuloy ko lang po. And then, kailangan mo ng NBI certificate para to check if you are a good Filipino citizen po. Diba? Kahit saan naman kailangan yan. Kahit sa Saudi Arabia, pag mag-apply ka, kailangan naman yan. So, yun po yung mga kailangan natin. And then, kasi yung iba po nagtatanong, Ma, magkano po ba magagastos ko? Magkano po? Hindi, wag mo munang isipin yan kasi pag yan ang inisip mo talaga at sabihin ko sa iyo kung magkano ang nagastos ko sa agency ko, mawawalan ka talaga ng, madi-discourage ka. So, wag nyo na po munang iisipin yun. But I am here to assist you on how to start your application based on my knowledge, based on my experience. Sasabihin ko po sa iyo kung paano mo simulan ang iyong application. But hindi pa ako agency. I will just only help you on how to start your application. That you can always apply direct to the school district here and find a visa sponsor for you to come and teach in the United States. Kasi po in my case, I went through an agency that cost me a lot of money, almost $1 million, 1 million pesos. Siyempre, kailangan may pera ka talaga. But I'm just thankful for the agency that I went through in the Philippines before I came here because they help us to find a landing. So, wag niyo po munang problemahin yan kasi isa yun sa mga kapagpa-discourage sa inyo, which happened to me when I applied first time in 2007. I started applying for America. And when I passed the interview, at kapag sinabi na kung magkano magagastos, na ganito, ganyan, nadi-discourage kagad ako kasi during that time, wala namang partner ang mga agency na lending institution. So I just back out, I just withdraw my application, although I already passed. And during that time, they gave teachers an H-1B visa, which you have the chance to be a permanent resident here in the United States. However, at this time, some school district are hiring teachers, and the visa sponsors are offering the J1 visa. And what is J1 visa? J1 visa is considered as an cultural exchange program, which means that your knowledge, your skills as a teacher in your home country will gonna be shared to the U.S. classroom and to the U.S. students here in America. And then, pagkatapos po yan, ang J1 visa po will only give you like 3 years. And the 3 years po ay sisweldohan ka ng kagaya ng regular worker here. So, kung nasa public ka, public school din ang sweldo mo. Kung nasa charter school ka, pang charter school din po ang iyong sweldo. So, yun po yun. So, if you are really interested, just send me an email or just drop a comment on this video. And please don't forget to like po, subscribe to my channel, Filipina Teacher in America. And please tell your friends about this video so they can watch it. And if they are interested, they can start applying as teacher here in America na pwede po kayo magdirekta. Marami pong school district na pag nag-apply ka ay pwede ka na nilang i-hire and then maghanap ka na lang ng visa sponsor. So, yun po. At yung sa foreign credential evaluation po, pwede nyo po yung gawing sa sarili ninyo. And you can ask my assistants for that foreign credential evaluation on what website, which website you need to go. So yan po, Merry Christmas everyone. Be safe and be good. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Have a Merry Christmas everybody.